Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is history of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. First introduction. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization or a Shanghai Pact is a Eurasian political, economic, security alliances, the creation of which was announced on 15 June 2001 in Shanghai, China by the leader of China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Charter formally established the organization was signed in June 2002, entered into force on 19 September 2003. The original five nations, with the exclusion of Uzbekistan, were previously member of the Shanghai Five Group, founded on 26 April 1996. Since then, the since then, the organization has expanded its membership to 8 countries when India and Pakistan joined SCO as a full member on 9 June 2017 at a summit in Astana, Kazakhstan. The head of state council is the supreme decision-making body in the SCO. It meets once a year and adopted decisions and guidelines on all important matters of organization. Military exercises are also regularly conducted among members to promote cooperation and coordination against terrorism and the external threat and to maintain the regional peace and stability. The SCO is the largest regional organization in the world in terms of the geographical coverage and the population, covering three-fifths of the Eurasian continent and nearly the half of the human population. Origin of the SCO. The Shanghai Five grouping was created 26 April 1996 with the signing of the Treaty on Deepening Military Trust in the Border Region in the Shanghai, China by the head of the state of China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia and Tajikistan. On 24 April 1997, the same countries signed the Treaty on Reduction of the Military Forces in Border Region in a meeting in Moscow, Russia. On 20 May 1997, President of Russia Boris Yeltsin and the Prime Minister of China Jiang Zemin signed a declaration on a multipolar world. Russian President Vladimir Putin, Kazakh President Nusratul Nazarbayev, Chinese President Xi Jinping, Kyrgyz President Askar Akayeva and Tajik President Omoloi Ramon, at one time the leader of the Shanghai Five. Subsequently, annual summits of the Shanghai Five grouping occur in Almaty, Kazakhstan in 1998, in Bishk, Kyrgyzstan in the 1999, and in the Dashhabun, Tajikistan in 2000. At the Dashhabi summit, members agreed to oppose intervention in the other countries' internal affairs on the pretext of the humanitarianism and the protecting human rights and supporting the efforts of one another in safeguarding these five countries' national independence, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the social stability. In 2001, the annual summit returned to the Shanghai. There the five-member national first admitted Uzbekistan in the Shanghai Five mechanism. Then all six heads of the state signed on 15 June 2001 the declaration of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, praising and the role played thus far by the Shanghai Five mechanism and aiming to transform it to a higher level of cooperation. In June 2002, the head of the SCO member states met in St. Petersburg, Russia. They signed the SCO Charter, which expounded on the organization's purpose, principles, structures, and forms of operations, and established it in international law. In July 2005, at the summit in the Astana, Kazakhstan, with the representatives of India, Iran, Mongolia, and Pakistan attending the NSCO summit for the first time, the president of the host countries, Nusratul Nazarbayev, greeting the guests in words that had never been used before in any context. The leader of the states sitting at this negotiation tables are representatives of half of the humanity. By 2007, the SCO had initiated over 20 large-scale projects related to the transportation, energy, and telecommunication, and held regularly meeting of the security, military, defense, foreign affairs, economy, culture, banking, and other officials from its member state. In July 2015 in Ufa, Russia, the SCO decided to admit India and Pakistan as a fully member. Both signed the memorandum of the obligation in June 2016 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, thereby starting the formal process of joining the SCO as a full member. On 9 June 2017 and at a summit in Astana, India and Pakistan officially joined SCO as a full member. The SCO established relationship with the United Nations in 2004, Commonwealth of Independent States in 2005, and Association of South Asian National ASEAN in 2005, the Collective Security Treaty Organization in 2007, and the Economic Cooperation Organization in 2007, the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime in 2011, the Conference on Interaction and Conference of Building Measures in Asia in 2014, and the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for the Asia and Pacific in 2015, African Union 2018. The SCO is widely regarded as the alliances of the East due to its growing centrality in the Asian Pacific and has been the primary security pillar of the region. In 2017, SCO 8's fully members account for approximately half of the world's population, a quarter of the world's GDP, and about 80% of the Eurasia landmass. The Secretariat of the SCO is primarily executive body of the organization. It serves to implement organizational decisions and decrees, draft proposed documents, function as document depository for the organization, arrange specific activities within the SCO framework, and promotes and disseminates information about the SCO. It is located in Beijing. The current SCO Secretary General is Rashid Alimov of Tajikistan, appointed to the office of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Security General in the January 2016. The regional anti-terrorist structure RATS headquartered in the Tashkent, Uzbekistan, is a permanent organ of the SCO which serves to promote the cooperation of member states against the three evils of terrorism, separatism, and extremism. The heads of the RATS is elected to a 3-year term. Each member state also sends a permanent representative to the RATS.